Is your car experiencing brake problems? We have the solution you need at Cruzmotors. Introducing our expert technicians who are skilled in replacing brake boosters and vacuum pumps. We understand the importance of reliable brakes for your safety. Our dedication to precision and quality ensures that your car gets back on the road with confidence. Don't compromise on safety. If you're facing brake issues, bring your car to Cruzmotors. Our workshop is your solution for dependable brake repairs.